Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I have no makeup on, so you get to see my bare face. And I wanted to do this for a specific reason because I wanted to show you guys my bare face. I'm very, very comfortable, very, very confident in my bare skin and my bare face, flaws and all. But there is a reason why. It's because I use these beautiful things on my face that nature provides me. It's such a spiritual thing for me. It's such a therapeutic thing for me. And also, I can't use any chemicals on my face. And that's been since I was like 16 years old. My skin is very, very sensitive. So I make my own things, make my own herbal recipes, herbal tinctures, herbal face oils, and all of that stuff. So I wanted to share with you guys one of them today. And if you're interested, this is an ice facial. So it's one of my favorite things to do, especially right now where I live. It is like 108, 109, 106, 101. It's very, very hot, and so I don't like to put makeup on in the heat. I personally don't really like to put makeup on at all unless I'm doing a video, but today I was really excited to do this video because I can sit here with you guys with no makeup on. So the reason why is because I do feel so comfortable in my skin because I do use these recipes and things like that. And not only is it like really good for your skin in so many ways, but it's also good spiritually for your spirit, for your energy, for your aura, and all of that thing. So with that being said, let's get right into it. For this tutorial, you're actually going to need just a few things. You're going to need rose petals, fresh or dried. I have dried rose petals from my very own garden. Head over to my Patreon to see my garden videos. I love doing those, and I need to do a new one, but it's very interesting. It's very fun. You're also going to need coffee grinds, whether it's used coffee grinds or fresh coffee grinds. And then you're going to need lavender. These are also from my garden. And the next thing you're going to need is a blender. I have this Magic bullet right here that I'm going to be using to blend everything. And you're going to also need your water to blend everything with, because we are going to freeze this. And you're also going to need your ice cube tray. Okay, so I'm going to take my ingredients. Now, I'm making this many cubes. I think it's like, 12 cubes. This is how much I'm making. I got this from, I think, $1.99 store. So I'm making just that many. And I'm using all of these. I'm just going to use all of them because I want it to be nice and strong and just like, I want the essence of all of these things in it. So I'm going to try to get everything in there. The coffee grinds, the rose petals, the lavender. Lavender is to calm down your skin. Any acne you may have, any like cystic acne, inflammation you may have in your skin. It's really, really good for eczema, rosacea. And, you know, spiritually, lavender helps you to calm down, stress relief, calm down anxiety and things like that. And then rose petals are unconditional love and to raise your vibration. Fun fact, rose petals actually have a higher vibration on the vibration chart than human beings do. So it really does raise your vibration. And then the coffee is to increase blood circulation in your skin. And also rose petals are really good anti-aging. It's good for wrinkles. It's good for acne. It's good for radiant, fresh looking, bright looking, young looking skin. And then the coffee is to circulate your blood in your skin and to help you manifest faster. Coffee is something that's used to manifest faster. So here is what our mixture looks like. And then what we're going to do is add our water. Now this is to your own taste, how much you want to make. I'm making a lot. So I'm going to be adding, like here is in my bullet thingy, it's like max is right there, right? So I'm going to kind of just get into the max. I'm going to add more water up until the max line. I'm going to blend this and then I'm going to come back and show you how I pour it into my ice cube tray. Okay, so here's what it looks like. I know it does not look appealing, I know. But here's the color it looks like. You can see the herbs on top. So what you're going to do is, what I did is like take a straw and mix it around, right? So you're going to mix it around, and then you're going to pour it into your ice tray. Then you're going to freeze this. So let me pour this off camera because I want to do it nicely because I am going to be using this. I don't want to waste it. So I'm gonna pour it in here, and then I'll show you guys what the end result looks like once it's poured, right before the fridge process or the freezer process. Not the cleanest job, but I am a little bit somewhat of a messy worker. I have a tray right underneath my ice cube thing, so I just spilled a little bit. I'm gonna refill that in a little bit, but basically this is what your ice cube tray should look like. The herbs are probably gonna sink up to the top, and that's perfect because when you exfoliate your skin with the ice, the herbs are going to first exfoliate and then it's gonna go down into the ice part, which is perfect. You know, I'm just sharing with you my personal experience with these kinds of things, and my personal experience with my skin. So when this is frozen, I'm going to go ahead and put this in the freezer. When it's all frozen, I'm going to come back and show you the cubes and how I use it, and then the results of what it looks like on my skin. I'll see you guys very soon. So here's what it looks like after I took it out of the freezer. How pretty. It's so aesthetically so beautiful, and it's just all natural ingredients. I love this. So it's melting really fast because today was 108 degrees where I live. So I have to be really quick with this, but this is what it looks like. And on the bottom, you see that's all the coffee that went to the bottom. So you could use both sides to exfoliate. It's gonna melt pretty fast on your skin once you start to do it. And I'm gonna show you how I do my ice facial on my face in just a second. Okay, so I'm about to put this on. You're gonna need a towel, it's gonna get messy. So I have my towel on over here, and then I'm gonna take the ice cubes. They are melting really, really quickly. I'm gonna take the rose side. I'm gonna take the rose side first. You could pick any side you want to. And you're just gonna go ahead and go in. And ice facials are really, really good. You guys, and I have blemishes. You see my blemishes? So it's really, really good for like little pimples, big pimples, blackheads, acne, pores. And not only that, but you're using water to kind of cleanse, and it will fall. That's why I said use a towel. And I'm gonna use the other side too. So you can see how the coffee exfoliates, and you can feel the coffee. It's like a little bit grainy, like if you ever use a St. Ives apricot scrub or like sandpapery, but you can feel it. It smells really, really good. It feels really good. This is really good for your skin because it not only shrinks your pores and like pimples and everything, but it increases circulation in your skin and keeps your skin looking healthy and fresh and radiant. And that's what attraction energy is. That's what glamour magic is. That's what beauty magic is. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this entire ice cube on my face. I'm gonna actually use the other ice cubes all over the rest of my body and then go take a nice shower. So I will see you guys with the results in just a second. Okay, so I just washed it off. You can use any one of your soap, face wash, cleanser. You can use anything you need to wash it off. But here, my skin feels like a baby's butt. Like it feels so soft. My pores, I can physically feel my pores like smaller. My blemishes even, I feel like by tomorrow morning they're gonna be gone. When I blended all the ingredients together, I really feel like the essence of the herbs came out. And so it stuck onto my face before I washed it off. Really, really good facial to do. All you need is ice and herbs. If you don't have lavender, don't use lavender. If you don't have roses, you can mix and match those ingredients, but it's really, really good for your skin. And especially on hot days, if you live in a hot area, it's very nice. I can feel my face kind of like shrunk, like sucked in. That's how it feels, like a vacuum, and like the pores and everything. It just feels really good. And so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm gonna be using this ice cube like probably every day. I'm about to go do it right before I go to sleep. I'm just gonna do it again, and then I'm going to wash it off. It's really, really nice, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll talk to you guys very, very soon. Bye.